Assalamualaikum everyone. Yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is featuring another food item. Today we're going to make a sandwich. I know, not just any sandwich, it's a very delicious, unique sandwich. So get to shopping, get your ingredients together and try out this sandwich recipe. So let's get started. To make a sandwich, cut the soft roll bread down the middle lengthwise. Spread a generous amount of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup on one side of bread. Add olive turkey mortadella and smoked Gouda or Gouda cheese slices. By the way, you can pronounce it either way. It's delicious either way. Top it off with freshly sliced tomatoes and iceberg lettuce. Place the other bread slice on top and it's ready. Enjoy. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post. Leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.